In the last video, we have created a project at a Firebase backend. Also, we have installed a Firebase tools locally on our computer in order to deploy our application or our project to the Firebase backend. Also, we can backtest and initialize our project with the help of Firebase tools that we have installed in last video. Now we are going to do a initialization. For that, okay, I am going to use Visual Studio in which I am going to create my website. Okay, so consider this my project directory, that is web hosting with Firebase, available in the directory. Okay, now in order to initialize this project, go to terminal, new terminal, and write down Firebase init. Okay, so it will display a logo. Okay, it is going to ask some question. Okay, are you ready to proceed? Yes. Okay, now it is going to ask some questions related to the features that you want to use in your project. Okay, so database deploy, I am just going to use hosting because we want to host application, and even we want to first locally we are going to test our application. For that, I am going to select emulator also. Now you can move up and down with the help of up and arrow, and you can select with the help of space bar. So I am going to select hosting and emulators. Once it is selected, enter. Now please select a project. Okay, so we are going to bind our project with the project that we have created in the last video. So we are going to use existing project, so enter. Okay, so we are going to a link or the project, that is our application, that is web hosting with Firebase, with web hosting that is available at Firebase. So select web hosting. Now what do you want to use as a public yes, public so simply make enter. Now configure as a single page application. Okay, so no, because we want to create multiple pages also. If your application is React.js, then it might be possible it is a single page application, so no. Okay, now which emulator you want to set up? So I want to set up for hosting, so space and enter. So which port do you want to use for hosting? So by default 5000. Okay, would you like to download the emulator now? Yes. Okay, so now initialization is complete. Once your initialization is complete, we can see here a different number of file that is created. Okay, so first is Firebase JSON. Okay, so here uh, it gives the information about your hosting and all the stuffs. Okay, we are going to see in separate tutorial about this file. And Firebase Shark. Okay, so it contains the project name. So our your front project, that is your website hosting, is linked with your web hosting that is available at Firebase. And public folder, that public folder contains two files, 404.html and index.html. Okay, so the content inside your public folder will uploaded or will deploy to the Firebase server. Okay, so right now I am just going to create a simple HTML page. So I am going to delete all the content. Okay, just write down HTML, then body, then one tag, simple welcome to Firebase. Okay, tag is over, and last is end of body and end of HTML. Save. Okay, now in order to deploy our website to the Firebase backend, before deploying, it is good to test our application locally. Okay, now for that we have to create our local environment to test our application. For that, write down Firebase serve. Okay, we have already installed the emulator, that is with port number 5000. So it is going to start that emulator. Okay, so we are testing our application locally first, then we are going to deploy our application on a Firebase. So it's running, that is HTML local port localhost 5000. So just I am going to click on this website. Okay, it says Firebase hosting setup complete. Okay, so just here save your file and refresh. Sorry, we have change in 40. We want to change in, okay, we want to change in index.html. By mistake I have updated in 4.404.html. So now index.html, just refresh 5000. Okay, so welcome to Firebase. So with the help of this, first we are going to test our application locally, then we are going to deploy our application to the Firebase. So in next video we will upload or we will deploy our application or our website to the Firebase backend. Thank you.